Greetings everyone, I'm Steve Anchell. Welcome to the Creative Edge. Well, it may be more exciting to travel to exotic locations to create new images. It's not always possible. However, I'm certain that wherever you live in the world, there's someplace you can go to photograph. Whether it is your backyard, the street in front of your house, or a park, such as the one I'm at today, Bush Pasture Gardens in Salem, Oregon, near where I live. While I'm here, I'd like to share two concepts with you. The first is that photography is the art of isolation. It is every bit as important what you leave out of your photo as what you put in it. What I'm leaving out of my photos today is the busy street over there and the parking lot. And I'm isolating the tulips and some of the other aspects of this beautiful park. The second concept is that a good photograph is often made by showing people something they recognize, again, the tulips. But you show it to them in a different way. That's not that difficult to do. We have three perspectives: bird's eye view, eye level view, worm's eye view. Instead of photographing from straight on, try photographing down to get different and interesting images. And with these screens that come on many cameras today, it's very easy to get a worm's eye view without getting your knees dirty. Most people don't see the world in that way unless they're carrying a camera or crawling around on their stomach. I hope that you have enjoyed being here in Bush Park. I hope you've learned something. Until the next time, stay on the creative edge.